Hello! Today, samahan niyo ako as I prepare and teach our Sunday school kids in our church. At ang topic na binigay sa akin is about Adam and Eve. Since it's a new start of the year, nag-start kami last week sa creation. At this week ay ang week 2 about the popular Adam and Eve. Ang ganda nitong Bible study workbook for kids na sinusundan namin. Merong lesson, merong discussion, at merong quiz, mini quiz sa dulo. It's from eBay. I believe meron din yan sa Amazon. And it's discovered by my husband. Thank you, Per. At meron siyang 52 lessons. So, good na for 1 year. I will try to link down below. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang activities or crafting sa Sunday school. Hindi ko ginamit yung activity na nakalagay sa workbook kasi meron akong nakita na cute sa Etsy. So, bumili ako ng digital download from Etsy. At syempre, part ng pagpe-prepare for Sunday school lesson ay magbabasa tayo ng Bible. Makikita natin sa Genesis chapter 2 and 3 ang story ni Adam and Eve. At dito nga sa chapter 3 ang the fall of man. Doon na kinain ni Eve and Adam ang forbidden fruit. May gigil talaga. At grabe si Lord, kahit na disobedient si Adam and Eve dito sa verse 21, talagang may pinaalala siya sa akin na He is so merciful. Yan ginawa niya pa ng garments, ng damit from animal skin si Adam and Eve. Bago ni Lord palayasin sila sa Garden of Eden. Grabe pa rin yung love ni Lord sa atin, di ba? So, tapos na akong mag-prepare ng lesson. Ang i-prepare ko naman ay ang craft ng kids. So, more cutting, more gluing, more coloring, at ang cute-cute talaga nitong Apple Accordion book na may mga story. Story ni Adam and Eve summarized. And ready na to for the kids to color. Minsan, I let the kids do the cutting and gluing. Pero most of the time, nagkukulang kami ng oras. So, next time na lang sila mag-glue and cut. Concentrate kami sa lesson at dito sa coloring. At meron din akong 3-minute video lang naman na ipapanood sa kanila about Adam and Eve, yung cartoons. Kasi minsan, naboboard sila, kailangan iba't ibang activities. God said that Adam need to work hard for his family. Genesis 2, to the woman, he said, I will make your pains in childbearing very severe for your husband and he will rule over you.
I don't want to be.
Did God really say you must not eat the fruit
Wait,
from
wait,
any of
apples.
these trees in the garden?
Let's put it at the side.
Eve said that they were able to eat from all the fruit trees except the fruit from the tree in the middle of the garden. For God said, you must not eat or even touch it. If you do,
finished.
you will die. Adam and Eve took care of the animals and could eat from any of the trees.
Yay! 3. Open! Yay!
Okay, come on.
3.
I don't want you.
Yay! Thank you!
Yeah.
Open! Adam and Eve! Yay! Open! Yay! Adam and Eve! Na, tapos na.
If you want that one.